Katie Price's ex Carl Woods has shared a cryptic message on social media, hours after being snapped holding hands with his former fiancée. Carl, 32, posted the mysterious post earlier today after he and the glamour model, 43, were seen heading for a flight at the airport together. 4. Carl shared a cryptic post on social media credit, Instagram. 4. The pair, pictured in November 2021, were spotted holding hands at the airport todayCredit, splash. After pictures of the pair seemingly confirmed they are back on after their recent split, Carl uploaded an image with a significant quote to his Instagram. The post read, "Some people want to see you fail just to say, 'I told you so.' Most hope you fall, so they can kick you while you're down. Then there are those who want nothing more than to get you to think you are a failure because they believe they are better than you. Whatever you do, whether you fall, fail or flop, make sure you keep the faith. Your time will come and so will theirs." The telling post comes as it appears Katie and Carl are very much back on, despite splitting last month after Carl accused Katie of cheating. Former glamour model Katie was seen doing some shopping in duty-free before she and Carl were snapped looking loved up. Carl previously shared a photo of him on a flight, and it wasn't long before fans claimed he'd been spotted with his ex. One person commented, "You're on my son's flight, he has just seen you both." Despite being seen together on multiple occasions recently, Katie and Carl have yet to confirm they're back together following their shock split. The mum of 5 is said to have rekindled her romance with her ex after they were spotted together in Brighton last weekend. She was seen flashing her £50,000 engagement ring as she snuggled up to him in undowned pink gin and tonics. The couple were snapped at plush Donatello's in Brighton, a 400-seat Italian restaurant, Friday last evening, snuggling and kissing. Everything you need to know about Katie Price. What is Katie Price's net worth? How many times has Katie Price been married? How many children does Katie Price have? Where does Katie Price live? What cosmetic surgery has Katie Price had? Where does Harvey Price live now? What is Harvey Price's disability? Who is Harvey Price's dad? Why did Katie Price and Peter Andre split? Who is Katie Price's mom Amy? Click here to read all of our latest Katie Price news. An onlooker told The Sun, "They seemed more loved up than ever and didn't care who saw." He was kissing her on the forehead, having drinks, laughing. His Porsche was parked right outside. They didn't seem to be split up at all. They didn't have any food while they were there, just gin and tonics. She was clearly going somewhere that she wanted to be recognized because the restaurant is one of the busiest in the city. 4. Carl's post on Instagram earlier. 4. Katie and Carl have kept fans guessing with their on-off romance credit, not known, clear with picture desk.